Advantages of consuming ACV. Relieve nighttime leg cramps. ACV taken diluted in water 2 times daily, will dissolve acidity uric acid within the bloodstream and supply potassium, calcium along with other essential minerals towards the body needed to release the leg cramps. Banish Bad Breath. Because of its acidic qualities, ACV Make UPS a wonderful combine for bad breath or halitosis. Simply add 1/2 teaspoon of ACV into a glass of water and gargle the combine inside your mouth for 10 seconds at any given time before the cup is empty. Control bloodstream sugar. The antiglycemic results of ACV assist in improving insulin sensitivity, that is necessary to keep up with the sugar amounts of bloodstream. Combine 1 teaspoon of ACV inside a glass of filtered water and take 3 times each day to steady your stomach's rate of digestion, which could keep bloodstream sugar levels more consistent. If you're diabetic, talk to your physician. Boost weight reduction. Lots of people declare that ACV promotes weight reduction by accelerating the metabolic process. A recommended remedy would be to combine 2 teaspoons from the vinegar right into a glass water and drink this before each meal or sip it gradually during the day. Control cholesterol. Studies have established that ACV increases the fat profile of bloodstream by reducing the amounts of triglycerides and occasional density lipoprotein cholesterol, LDLC, or bad cholesterol, as also by growing the amount of high-density lipoprotein cholesterol, high-density lipoprotein C, or good cholesterol. For those who have high cholesterol levels, talk to your physician.